welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig for you guys, and when I tell you guys that this was literally the easiest slay that I have ever done in my life, like I was in shock. Okay, so this unit is from Hairvivi, you guys, and I got this silky straight 26-inch unit, you guys. So I got some length today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like fresh out of the box, you guys, because when I tell you I did nothing but cut the lace and melt it, that is it. That is all that I did. So I'm taking it fresh out of the box. This is how it comes, with a little net around it in that plastic bag, which is new because they've never done it before, maybe because this one is so long. And then it comes with like the paper stuffed in the inside to keep the shape and to keep the wig from developing that hump that they have sometimes when they're fresh out of the box. I really love that they do this. So this is what the wig looks like. It is pre-plucked. It is pre-bleached. It comes with the fake scalp attached in the inside. It also has the removable and adjustable elastic band inside. So this one actually came pre-braided. So they have a few styles now on their website. I want to say it's 6 or 8 of them, and you can pick if you want your wig to come with the pre-braided style, which I thought was really, really cool, and I really thought that this one was cute. So this is what I decided to go with. So what you just seen or didn't see me doing, I don't know why I didn't hold it up in the camera, but I just cut the ear tabs. So I cut the ear tabs off first so I don't have to do it while it's on my head. It just makes it easier. And then I just went ahead and took some foundation powder. I used the foundation that was too light for me right now, and I went ahead and colored the inside of the lace. Not on the cap, obviously, because you can't see that part, just the part of the lace, that little strip that didn't have the cap on it, because that's the part that's going to be against my skin. And then I'm just going to put the wig on and make sure everything fits. And as you can see, I already cut the little remainder of the lace by the ear. I didn't do anything special to the ear tab. I literally just cut the part that didn't have any hair on it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace, and then we'll begin laying it. I'm all about your vibe. So this is the quickest way that I can get the melted effect. I just use the Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I spray right on top of the wig. I don't put it under, I put it right on top, push it in with my hand, and then I just go ahead and take my blow dryer and blow dry it until it's completely dry. I like to do it in sections. I do the middle first and then side and side. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through the rest of this because it's really simple.
Now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade, and the days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway, 'cause I'm standing low. 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 I don't check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late, and I'm better off, but
So once I have it all dry, I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf and tie it down for about 5 minutes just to make sure it's completely melted down.
But I can't get anyway, 'cause I'm standing low.
Once the 5 minutes is up, I can go ahead and take the scarf off, and I'm just going to take the comb and kind of just rake through the hair and loosen up any of the hair that may be stuck down, that may have got stuck to my skin with the free spray. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take my scissors and cut the baby hairs that they already had. So they had baby hairs in the front that were a little too long, so I'm going to go ahead and cut those down, and then I'm going to create some more on the sides.
I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't. No, I can't. 'Cause I still 'Cause I'm still in love. Still in love. I'm still in love. Still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love.
Once I have them cut, I'm going to take my LovelyBryana edge control and just slick them down. And then I'm going to go in with the same lighter foundation that I used in the beginning and just tap it over any of the exposed lace.
That this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. 'Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice.
Now I totally didn't have to do this because it was already super straight, but I'm just going to go ahead and take my flat irons and just run it through the hair really quick. And that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. If this isn't the most beginner friendly unit that I have ever come across, I don't know what is. Look how bomb this hairline looks, you guys. I'll have all details down below in the description box, along with links for everything, including like my wig head and wig stand and stuff. But look how beautiful this unit is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I post. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe. Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe.